Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL table, where we will learn how we can create a table with index in COBOL program. Prior to this session, we have already discussed like how to create one-dimensional table, two-dimensional table. So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will talk about the table with indexing. Okay, so we are going to proceed in the same manner. Like firstly I'll explain you the code which is written over TSC-BPGM92 program, and then we will write the like only the basic thing is written so far, and later on, like once those basic things are clear, then we will write the code from scratch to understand the exact logic that we use in order to perform in order to create a table that can be used with indexing. Okay, so let's start. For this I will take option 2 here in the program TSC BPGM92, and then you can see we have already written some basic things like identification division. Now what is identification division? Identification division is a block which is we use in order to store the information related to program identity. So you can see here identification division, which includes some information like program ID denoting program name, author denoting author name. Likewise, if you are in your case, if there any other information which you would like to store, then you can keep it under the same identification division block. Then uh, we have noted down three commit line. Okay, so to initiate the commit line, you can put your cursor on the very first position, and from there you can count till 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so on 7th position when you place asterisk, it is considered as a comment. So after that, whatever you will write here will be considered as a comment line. Okay, so asterisk, these are the three asterisks which I am using to create this three line as a comment. So here I have noted down the topic name, which is table with indexing. Okay, likewise if you want to put any other comment or maybe the instruction for any complex logic, then you can create your comment. And the only thing that matter is this 7th position asterisk. Okay, after that it doesn't matter like if you write this asterisk or not. Either you can put some other characters or you can use sub symbol. It is up to you. Okay, but only the 7th position character is important, which should be asterisk only if you want to create a comment. Then on line number 10 we are using stop run, which will terminate the program flow whenever logic reaches this line. So in between these comment line and stop run, we will write the code from scratch. Okay, so just assume a scenario where we want to store some employee's name in a table format. So in that case, what we will do, we will write the code in a manner like we will firstly declare the data division, and then we will declare the variables. So let's declare the data division. So here I will write data division. Okay, in this data division we will declare the variable name. So insert the line, some lines I will insert here, and now we will declare the working storage section. So here I will write working hyphen storage section. Okay, so under this working storage section we will declare all those variables which we want to use throughout the program. Now I will put 01 here, which will show level number, then the array name or the table name, which is employee hyphen table, and then we will put another element. I'll firstly write all those things and all the declaration part, and then I will explain you one by one. Okay, so 05 is level number, then emp name, pic x of 20 occurs, then 100 times indexed by emp underscore emp hyphen index. Okay, so this is the declaration. Now I'll explain you what I have written over here. So mainly I'm using level number 101 for the employee table. Then under this level number we are using another sub element which is which is denoted with a level number 05, which is indicating that it is a dependent on 01. Then the variable name and data name is emp name. PIC is denoting picture clause, X is denoting alphanumeric, and 20 is denoting the length of this variable. Then we are using occurs 100 time, index by emp hyphen index. Okay, so these are the things that we have specified here. Now I'll declare another variable which we will use as an index, because here we have just put the emp index. Okay, but let me declare another variable 01 emp hyphen subscript. So this variable I will use instead of using the direct main variable. So PIC is denoting picture clause, 9 is denoting numeric, and 9 is denoting numeric digit, and 3 is denoting the length of the variable. Now we are good to write the main logic because we have declared everything. So it's time to verify the things like whether it is working as expected or not. So for that I will write here procedure division. So I'll write here procedure division. Under this procedure division we will write move 1 to emp hyphen subscript. Okay, so I just assigned subscript value as 1. Then I will move the value, the actual value. So move Amit to emp hyphen name, and then subscript is emp hyphen subscript. Okay, so we have noted this. Similarly we will add another few lines. So let me insert one blank line first. Now we will copy this and paste it after this. Then second value, second name would be maybe Sharmit, and likewise we will insert third value as well. Let's copy it, paste it, make it as 3, and here we will write Krishna. Okay, so we are ready with these three records. Now it's time to print the values. So either you can go with a loop to print the values, but for time being I'm just inserting it, I'm just printing it with the help of simple display command. So here I will write display, then after display we will write emp hyphen name, emp hyphen subscript. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Okay, I'm not printing all these value because last value we have moved is employee 3, means value 3, so it should print 3 only. I'll explain you how it is working. So let's compile this code by doing file. So what file will do, it will save and exit. Now you can take option 14 and it should compile. Yeah, it is compiled successfully. So let's call it. So once you call this program, it is showing the name as Krishna. Why? Because on the third index, you can see here, firstly we moved the value as emp1 in emp subscript, then we moved 2 in emp subscript, then we moved 3 in emp subscript, right? So the last value which we moved to emp subscript is 3. So that's why it is when we are trying to printing the name emp name, then it is printing the emp subscript which is holding 3. So emp name of 3 is Krishna, because on third position Krishna is stored. Okay, likewise let's say if just after this if I change the value of subscript, for example, okay, I'll show you. So let's say if I change the value to maybe 2 to emp hyphen subscript, and now if you file and compile it and call it, you will see the changes that now it is referring to the second record. So what is index? Index is something that shows you the position, right? So you can assume this as a array because this is array itself. Okay, so in array there are some dimension, or you can say indexes. So for first index the value is Amit, for the second index the value is Sharmit, and the third index is Krishna. So according to the number of in index variable, okay, if it is 1, so it will print for the first, if it is 2 it is print for second, and then if it is 3, 3. Okay, some of you might be thinking like what will happen if I provide 4, because fourth is not there, right? So let's see what will print. I just compiled it and calling it, so you can see it is printing blank. Why? It is printing blank. This is blank because there is no record present on fourth index. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the table with indexing. So you can try it by your own. You can try with some loop as well. And if you are facing any issue, you can share your question in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.